death toll continues to rise in Samoa as the measles epidemic ravages the country.
A state of emergency has been declared and vaccinations made compulsory, and schools have been shut down to stop the disease spreading.
Firefighters have been pushed to the limit in the southeast corner of the nation today, and they have a long night ahead of them. The sky turned blood red in some areas as fires flared up in Victoria and New South Wales due to hot temperatures and dry conditions.